Greetings, students. Welcome once again to the second and concluding part of Chapter 7, Our Soils. But before starting this session, let's have a quick recap of the previous session of this chapter. In your previous class, you have learnt what is soil and how soil is formed. Let's revise this in brief. The top covering of the earth's surface is called soil. Soil is formed when large rocks break into smaller pieces. Manure and fertilizers are added to increase the fertility of the soil to grow more crops. There are 6 types of soil. We have already learnt about alluvial soil, black soil, red and laterite soil. Now let's start this session. So open your book at page 53, chapter 7. Students, we are going to study about mountain soil. Mountain soil is rich in humus, means nami. Humus is the organic matter in the soil made up of the dead plants, leaves, etc. Humus is good for plants. As it is clear from its name, it is found on the hill slopes, mountains in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, etc. The main crops grown in this soil are wheat, maize, fruits, coffee and tea. Desert soil. Students, you all are well aware of desert, means a sandy area. So this soil is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. This soil is less fertile. The crops grown in this soil are barley, wheat, pulses, cotton, etc. Now, what is soil erosion? Soil erosion is a process in which the top covering of the soil is removed by heavy rainfall or heavy winds. हैवी रेनफॉल और विंड्स के साथ सॉइल की टॉप लेयर पानी के साथ या हवा के साथ उड़कर एक जगह से जब दूसरी जगह चली जाती है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? सॉइल इरोजन. Soil loses its fertility due to erosion. Soil is a living place for all living creatures. So it becomes very important for us to conserve soil. Now, what is meant by soil conservation? We all know that soil is a natural resource and it must be conserved. Students, soil conservation is a method to maintain the fertility of the soil by protecting it from soil erosion and nutrients loss. So, we can maintain the fertility of the soil or the quality of the soil by keeping some points in our mind, such as plant more and more trees. Means by growing plants and taking care of plants, it prevents deforestation. Avoid cutting trees because the roots of the trees bind the soil firmly and helps to stop soil erosion. Use manure and natural fertilizers. By adding manure and fertilizers, we can maintain the quality of the soil. We should prefer natural fertilizers as artificial fertilizers reduce the fertility of the soil. Do not keep the fields barren. Means always need to grow crops in the fields to improve the quality of the soil. Crop rotation is the best way to maintain the quality of the soil. So this is all about the chapter. Read the chapter yourself and go through the video for better understanding. Do exercise work neatly in your book and question answers in your notebook. Dear students, try to make a web chart on the types of soil, states where different types of soils are found and crops grown in the particular soil. Thank you. Have a very nice day.